How to create a Vantage Market account. Sign up tutorial with referral code abc12345. If you're looking to trade with Vantage Market, this step-by-step guide will show you how to create your account and get started on this popular trading platform. By using the referral code abc12345 during sign up, you can enjoy additional benefits and potentially access exclusive promotions. Follow these simple instructions to get your Vantage Market account up and running in minutes. Step 1. Visit the Vantage Market website. Start by going to the official Vantage Market website. To ensure you're in the right place, make sure the URL is correct and you're on the official platform. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button. Once on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Open an Account button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to start the registration process. Step 3. Fill in your personal information. You'll be directed to a form where you need to provide basic personal details. This includes: make sure to enter accurate information to avoid issues during verification. Step 4. Set your account preferences. In this section, you'll need to select your preferred account type, trading platform, usually MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and base currency for your account, such as USD or EUR. Choose the options that best match your trading needs. Step 5. Enter the referral code ABC12345. To unlock any referral benefits, enter the code ABC12345 in the designated field. This code might provide you with exclusive offers or bonuses, so don't miss this step. Step 6. Complete the verification process. Vantage Market requires identity verification to comply with regulatory standards. To complete this step, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID, passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload your documents. Step 7. Fund your account. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to fund your account. Vantage Market offers various funding options, including bank transfer, credit card, and e-wallets. Choose the option that works best for you and complete the deposit process. Step 8. Start trading. With your account funded, you're ready to start trading. Access the Vantage Market trading platform you selected, and begin exploring the available assets and trading tools. Take advantage of the educational resources and demo account options if you're new to trading. Vantage Market is popular for its competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wide variety of trading instruments. With a user-friendly interface and responsive customer support, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced traders. By signing up with referral code ABC12345, you may gain access to special benefits, making your trading experience even more rewarding. At channel name ready to get started? Click the registration link in the description or comments below to create your Vantage Market account today.